today. I have to keep my grippy gripping or else it will seize up altogether.
Good job I've got my nice thick retreads on.
And very nice they look too, lad.
Oh, thank you, Carl.
Now, as you probably know, we're levelling out this bumpy ground today. It's very cold, so I hope you put in your antifreeze.
Of course, Bozer.
You'd have to be one dozy truck to forget that antifreeze.
Absolutely, Carl. I hope you smaller machines have put in your antifreeze. Now, I know you don't like it.
Well, it smells so horrible.
Like old hubcaps.
But we gritted our grills and we put it in because it's good for us.
Good machines. Right then, if anyone needs me, I'll be levelling the ground on the other side of the shed.
Lad, what happens if we don't put in our antifreeze?
Well, I knew a steamroller it happened to once. His engine completely seized up. Poor old Rolly couldn't move a ratchet. Oh, how we laughed.
You laughed?
Well, he looked so funny sitting there. His little headlights going backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. Oh, he laughed too.
Oh, did he?
Well, he was a new machine. But if it happened to some old machine, one that had been around the block a few times, well, that would be very embarrassing. Very embarrassing indeed.
It's a good job we remembered our antifreeze.
Whew, I'll say. Right then, we better start on this work.
Do we have to fill all those holes?
I'm not sure. I better check with Bozer.
Right then, I'd better start on this door. Wait a minute. I can't seem to move. It's almost as if I've completely frozen. But how could that happen when I took my Oh, no. I was so busy telling everyone to put their antifreeze in, I forgot. And now I'm stuck.
Morning, Maxine. It's cold today, isn't it?
Oh, I don't feel the cold. Cause when it gets cold, I sing about warm things. Like Benjamin bubbling and bonnets are roasting, sizzling hot gravel and rooftops are toasting.
Haha, top idea, Maxine.
Oh, it wasn't my idea. It was Bozer's. He's a great boss, Bozer. He thinks of everything.
He certainly does. Oh, we're so lucky to have Bozer as a boss. He does it all. He dozes, he bosses, he thinks. Oh, he's like a dozing, bossing, thinking machine. I don't remember one time when Bozer ever forgot anything. Hello, Bozer. How are you getting on? I expect you've nearly got this whole area flattened by now. Bozer? Hello? I have to say, you don't seem to be moving very much. In fact, all you seem to be moving are your headlights.
I know. Can you believe it? I forgot to put in my antifreeze. My engine has completely seized up.
Oh, no! That's terrible. Oh, we better not let the other machines find out.
Why not?
Well, you're an older machine. You've been round the block a few times. Well, they might laugh, and then you get embarrassed.
Oh.
Look, stay here. I'm going to get you some more antifreeze, and none of the other machines need ever know. Gotta get the antifreeze. Gotta get the antifreeze. Gotta keep it quiet.
Oh, Diggs, watch where you're going.
Can't let anyone see. Gotta get the antifreeze to Bozer. No one must know.
Oh, that little scooper is so clumsy. He's knocked the gravel all over the place.
Got to get the antifreeze to Bozer. No one must know. Top secret. No one must know. Gotta get the antifreeze to Bozer. No one must know.
Diggs, it took me half an hour to stack that lot. Ooh.
One big can of antifreeze. Coming up. Hey, Bozer. I've got your antifreeze so none of the other machines will ever know you forgot to put it in.
I think they might,
How?
'cause they're all standing behind you.
Oh, no. Now, look. I don't want any of you laughing at Bozer. Okay, so he forgot his antifreeze. But it could happen to anybody, even a boss.
Why would we laugh at Bozer?
He was probably so busy reminding us that he forgot to do it himself.
But look, his headlights are going backwards and forwards, just like the little steamroller.
Now, come on. That must look quite funny. I really don't mind if you laugh. A big machine like me forgetting my antifreeze. It would make me laugh.
You don't mind if we laugh?
Of course not.
Well, I have to admit, it is rather funny.
You telling everyone else and then forgetting yourself? Oh no, I'm going to bust my barrel.
No, don't. I'll get a hooky cough. Oh, no. Hooky cough.
I don't understand. I thought you'd be embarrassed.
Not at all. Laughing at your mistakes makes everyone feel better. But I did appreciate you trying to protect me, Diggs.
Now we've got all that laughing over with, I think there's another very important job we have to do.
Oh, what's that job?
Get you to clear up all the mess you made zooming around like a machine maniac.
Oh, yes. Can't we just stay here and laugh at all my mistakes? Huh?
No.
Oh.
I think it would be better if you just rolled round the site and cleared them all up.
Oh, no!
First, come and scoop up my cement.
What about my gravel?
And what about Carrie's planks?
Thanks anyway, Diggs. Well, let's get back to work. Wait a minute. You've got my antifreeze. Hey, come back. Come back.